You just found the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.